Hello YouTube, we're in Hagonoy, or however the town is pronounced. Hagonoy. I'll let him keep that, yeah. I gotta learn it, but we're in this little town that he just mentioned, southwest of Digos by about 30 minutes. Oh, how did you jump across the short? Oh, the bamboo. And some of the irrigation of the rice fields that they grow here. Careful. Oh, yes. Anyways, that's some of the irrigation of the rice field. Oh, yeah, I am. Some of the irrigation of the rice fields that they use to grow their rice here in the Philippines. You probably got about 12 inches of, get closer to where my fiance's nephew is at here. Probably right here. See the irrigation of the rice. Good and up close. Yeah, rice is the most commonly grown thing from the ground. You got lots of banana trees, mango trees, coconut, sugar cane that's grown all over this part of the world, but you get a really good view of the irrigation system of the rice. And I don't know how long it takes all these to grow up. How big do these plants get when they're when the rice plants get when they're grown up, you know? But yeah, rice is very commonly grown here, as they eat rice, you know, every day. If they don't eat it every day, it's almost every day. And just a beautiful countryside in this town of Hagonoy, right? Hagonoy. Hagonoy. The name of the town. We're in Hagonoy. Just an absolutely beautiful scenery in the southern part of the Philippines, close to Digos City. You get some mountains in the background, get a chance to see these rice fields and the irrigation system. It's beautiful here. And there on the other side of the little, where the water is at. It's pretty here, it really is. It's not too hot today compared to what it could be. We have a little bit of a breeze. You can see the wind blowing. But anyway, that's going to be it for this one.